Bye. Hello. Konnichiwa. Good girl. Good girl, hello. Oh, kiss. Hello. You like being on camera? Do you like being on camera, silly dog? Here's my new bar. What I believe is a genuine GP Sports. Should have a little badge here, but obviously disappeared at some point. So gonna get this fixed up and put on. Should look pretty good. His old factory bar going to someone else tonight, hopefully. So they're gonna come grab that. So bye-bye. So I've already started on this side. Started pulling all this off for some reason. They extended it about 10 or 15 mil, so just all wonky all along here and wouldn't fit right up as you need it to. So I'm just basically ripping all this out. Screwdriver, pliers. Wear your PPE. Ever seen someone do body work with a screwdriver? Me either. What's going on over here though? Hello. Interesting. Keen though. Keen bean.
Like that. It's a good mod.
So a little bit of a change up now. I bought a new body kit, so I'm gonna do a little test fit of that. Got the FC in here instead of a Corolla for once, which Hugo is not happy about, wherever he's gone. He's over there. So we got the FC in here, so I'm gonna try out the new body kit, see how it looks, and we're gonna go from there, then do some repairs. Do something with the colour eventually, but you have to wait and see.
Bumper be gone.
Alright, there's the other bumper. Filming?
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
So I'm swapping out this Rio because this one's bent. So I'm grabbing the one out of that, which is my original one. I've got one screw here that's fucked, so just angle grind like a slit in it. So I can get a flathead in there and hopefully, let's see. Oh, full power. Yes, there we go.
Then more anger to pull it out.
flathead. Oh, it moved. Nope.
I think it'd just be funny to get the angle around the back.
I got it. Fucking hell. Oh! Oh, what a piece of shit. Like, I don't know how that happens when it's in a bumper, but... Here's one I prepared earlier. Kind of.
Effectively a lava lamp.
That's what I was going to say. Is that little dustbin?
Just telling you what colour it wants to be.
What, rust brown?
I think more silver. That all green.
Green, you reckon?
Oh, you already said you want painted green.
I don't know what you're talking about.
It'll make it easy to buy you a model car of it.
Oh, yeah? It's not Ari Yamamiya though.
Well, Tomica did do a GTX.
That's a bit better than the other one, huh?
Much better.
Alright, I don't know which one's which now. Oh, they're the two middle ones. This isn't final assembly, so just doing it for a quick test fit. I don't need to get all this immaculate.
It's like the POV if you're an intercooler.
What? What do you mean?
It's a bit of a concerning crack. Well, natural
nice
drain holes.
Yeah, lucky there's a nice drain hole down there.
I think it's the colour that's doing that.
Oh, the fitment is way better.
Off again.
On, off, on, off, on, off.
Sport just come off.
It's a fast detaching bumper. Sports cars, you know? All the cool guys have them.
Oh, I thought the quick release bumper was when it just explodes into pieces because it's fiberglass.
Oh, it'll do that. Just you wait. First drifter then. Ka-chow. Or should I say kachuga? Kachuga. She's a bit twisted, but
It doesn't really fit on this side.
fits a little better. Hang on, I'll try to bang her in here.
If it's for a test fit, we could zip tie it.
Well, the main thing is it holds it up. So
So,
once we're at this
so it
point,
doesn't flop.
yeah, it doesn't matter too much. We'll pull that
Yeah.
down, I reckon.
The corner can go in a bit. Yeah, I just don't want to break your fiberglass.
No, that's fine.
Over to the bottom? Or do you not just mock fit?
I'm going to try just put a screw in that for now. But this already is 100 times better than the other bumper. Like that actually lines up.
Screw that. They look to line. Nope. Got no holes. So I think the hole you've got is down.
Just look.
The hole you've got is down there.
It's here.
Is there any metal behind that? It's actually. another one.
Just push that in there for now.
Oh, does it actually? Is there actually?
No, just push it in.
Yep.
Just gonna...
Fit and finish is a lot better on that. This being sports, isn't it?
Style. Don't know if it's real or not, but what do I care? Also, the chassis will be twisted because it's not level on these stands.
Ow.
Oh,
I think it's hitting the door.
well, it's full of junk. It's full of all bloody sticker flicks.
Fit well, don't they?
Goodbye, GTX. Good enough.
Professional way of mounting side skirts.
Mm-hmm. Graphic designer's way of mounting side skirts.
You're missing something there.
No. Oh, that still doesn't fit that good around front mount. Don't know what kind of junk front mount he had on it. Doubt it was that huge.
By trim that nicely though. Good wheel. Good wheels.
I need to put some in that bumper.
Gonna roll it out.
I need to take this bumper off or something.
Let me grab the tape. Sorry, let me grab the professional mounting tools.
Profesh. That'll do.
Seamless.
Perfect. Pretty much like it came from the factory. I'm gonna go to the toilet, then we'll pull it out.
Good to know. Front came off.
Get out the way, mate. I know you love RX7s, mate. Where is my broom?
Screw that.